Hello everyone. For a long time I have wanted to buy myself a screwdriver with a set of tips for repairing small electronics. Those inexpensive kits that I bought, for example like this, were no good. It looks like the tips in these kits are made of aluminum. And finally, I bought myself an excellent electric screwdriver with a huge number of tips from Kaiweets. By the way, there is a nice bonus for every viewer of my channel, a significant discount when buying this electric screwdriver. In the description below this video, I will leave a link by clicking on which you can get more information about the electric screwdriver and, if desired, purchase this kit for yourself. There will also be a discount promo code in the description. Well, in this video I will test a screwdriver from the company Kaiweets, and with its help I will install the battery on the smartphone. The ES20 electric screwdriver from Kaiweets comes in this box. On the back side of the box are all types of tips that come in this set, as well as 17 additional accessories. Inside the box is a user manual and a fabric cover. From this manual, it is especially interesting to learn the parameters of an electric screwdriver. The parameters are as follows: the idle speed is 200 revolutions per minute. The battery capacity is 350 mAh. Charging time is about 60 minutes. The backlight consists of 3 LEDs. The torque is from 0.15 to 0.35 Nm. The parameters of the charger are 3.7 volts and 0.35 amps. The weight is only 68 grams. As you can see, the electric screwdriver from Kaiweets has quite good parameters, so it will be very comfortable to work with it. The case is compact enough, but at the same time very convenient for storing a screwdriver and additional accessories. And here is the whole package of this set. 120 tips, an electric screwdriver and additional accessories for repairing small electronics. In this set, it seems, there are tips of all shapes and sizes that only exist. Cross tips, starting from the smallest size. Also, the tips in the shape of an asterisk already begin here. On the second row there are also tips in the shape of an asterisk, and the tips begin in the shape of an asterisk with a hole in the center. On the next row, these tips continue, and several more cross ones are also added. And on the bottom row there are 3 faced tips, as well as flat ones. On the next page, so to speak, there are 60 more different tips in this case. The top row is flat tips, and also in the form of an asterisk, but with 5 faces. The second row is the tips in the shape of a hexagon. On the next row there are tips of a wide variety of shapes, for example triangular, square and even round. And on the bottom row there are several more specific tips and heads, starting from 2.5 mm and ending with 5.5, and for this the manufacturer has a separate plus. By the way, it is worth noting that all bits are made of chrome vanadium steel. Well, such a number of tips for a screwdriver made me very happy. And even for this set already deserves attention. In addition to such a huge number of tips, there are additional accessories in this set. This is an iron spatula. Flexible extension cable for handpieces. Plastic spatula. Brush. Tweezers. USB cord for charging an electric screwdriver. And there is also a regular extension cord for the tips. There are also several triangular plastic spatulas. Device for magnetization and demagnetization of tips. And a suction cup with which you can remove or install, for example, a mobile phone screen. And another useful accessory is a magnetic mat. Well, here's the screwdriver itself. There are 3 control buttons on the body of this screwdriver. This is a clockwise rotation of the screwdriver. This is a counterclockwise rotation. And the third button is turning on and off the backlight. This button also switches the rotation speed of the electric screwdriver. Also on the body of the screwdriver there is a Type-C connector for connecting the charger and charging indication. Well, considering the configuration and characteristics of this kit, it is possible to say without any exaggeration that an electric screwdriver from Kaiweets is a wonderful thing. Such a set, of course, will be very useful in any workshop and especially where repair of any small electronics is necessary. Now I will check this screwdriver in working conditions. With its help, I will install the battery on the smartphone. To install the battery with such a connector, you need to unscrew the plastic panel in the phone. The electric screwdriver is really powerful. If the screws are tightened too much, then the screwdriver even slips in the fingers. Ready, fast and convenient. The battery is in place. Now I'm going to screw back the plastic panel. An electric screwdriver is still a very useful thing. This concludes this video. If you liked it, then click the subscribe button so as not to miss the new video on my channel, which will appear very soon. I thank you for watching and see you soon.